Wouldn't you know, I'm putting a vlog together, wondering if I'm going to have any material for my next one. I hear a bunch of commotion out back, and I run around with the camera, and I hit record just as this airplane takes off from behind my house. There's no runway out there, it's a hayfield. I keep it rolling, and sure enough, he circles around, and something's not quite right. I look, looking outside the camera, and I can't hear his engine. And so I keep him in the camera, and I look, and his flaps are all the way down, as you'll see in a minute, and I realize he's coming in for another landing, and his engine's completely off at this point. And where he puts down next is in a cornfield. Again, there's no runway there. His runway, his landing strip, I should say, is about 3/4 of a mile to the left of this screen, to this field. And so it was quite something to see an airplane put down behind the house. He's been flying this airplane for many years, and in fact he has a smoke system on here, and he does some skywriting. We have fun watching him do his skywriting. He makes happy faces and the letter J. I guess that's his first name, Jim, or something like that, I guess. Anyway, he put down safely here and sat there for a little bit. He took off from there and flew around the rest of the afternoon with no more problems, and even did some skywriting at the end of the day. He was pretty lucky this day, I guess.
What do you think, Sarah?